Welcome, Facebook Messenger users. Are you wondering how to log out of Facebook Messenger? Although there's no official way to sign out directly from the app, we have some simple methods for you to follow. In this full guide, we'll show you step-by-step how to log out of Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Step 1. Since there's no official way to sign out directly from Messenger, one method is to uninstall the app from your device and then re-download it. By doing this, you'll be automatically logged out of your account. Step 2. The second method involves using Facebook itself. Open the Facebook app on your device. Step 3. Tap on the menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Facebook menu. Step 4. Scroll down and find the Settings option. Tap on it to access your Facebook settings. Step 5. Within the Settings menu, look for the Activity Center option and tap on it. Step 6. In the Activity Center, find and tap on Password and Security. This section allows you to manage your account's security settings. Step 7. Look for the option labeled Where You're Logged In and tap on it. This will display a list of devices and locations where your Facebook account is currently logged in. Step 8. Locate the device or session that you want to log out from and tap on it. Step 9. Finally, tap on the Logout button to log out of the selected device or session. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you log out of Facebook Messenger effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.